Alright everyone, here's a quick little video to show you how to use ezbib.com. So the first thing you do is go to ezbib and it brings you to this site. The first thing you do, or rather the second, once you get to the site, is decide what source you are trying to make a citation for. So in other words, where did the information come from? Was it a book, a journal, a website? You can click the More button to look at all the other different options. And I know one thing that we are all going to click on will be the interview. So that's where you can find it, is in this More drop-down tab. So I'm going to click Interview, and it'll take me to this page. And the next thing I do is just answer the information that the site is asking of me. So first it says what I'm citing. It doesn't really matter which one of these you click because they didn't come from these places. And this one asks if it's personal, which it is, so I would just stick with the in a magazine citation. So just click Personal Interview by You, because you're the one who did it. I would title it just Your Furthest Back American Project Interview. The day that you interviewed, right? So don't copy me. Make sure you write down the actual day that you interviewed your family member. And then it asks how you did it. Was it in person, over the web, email, phone? And I'll say in person. The interviewer would be you, so I would put my name. And I'll double check, make sure everything looks good. I filled out all the information I needed, and I'm going to hit Complete Citation. There we go, I clicked through the ad. So once I hit complete, my interview will pop up. This was a previous example I made, so I'm actually going to go ahead and delete it. But this is the citation that I made. So it lists my name as the person that did the interviewing, and it gives us the title. So I am going to hover my mouse over it and click Copy Citation. And the next thing I can do is go back into a Google Doc and paste that citation there. And there it is.